So carrier, Centron, rooftop unit. We've got the combustion blower running. When I came up to it, they just said it's not heating. If we look in here at the top of the board, you can see there is a diagnostic LED right there. We've got 6 flashes, which is induced draft motor fault. So they have in the back of the motor here a little switch that's supposed to make when it runs. I've actually not really ever seen one of these go bad. They plug in on this little 3-pin connector here. So you want to make sure that that's good and tight, making a good connection there. Then at this end, I don't really know if there's much we can really check. So I actually just tapped on this. So I think it's actually gonna light now and probably work. See, it's trying to light. I didn't hear it go yet. So I just hooked up my manometer to the gas valve. It is getting 24 volts. Still just won't open. So the valve really should be opening. We're getting 24 volts on the purple wire here each time the igniters come on. Hard to hold these leads with one hand, but we are getting power there, so it really should be opening the valve, but the valve's still not opening. So I think we have a bad gas valve, and we should possibly order a new combustion blower too, but I think it just had some junk in there and it freed up when I tapped on it. So we'll see what they want to do. So we're back, got a new valve, so we're gonna swap out the, swap out the gas valve here, and also this Halifax sensor. We just ordered a new one for it. So shouldn't be too bad. Got a union here, just have to thread that out, and then there's just 2 5/16 screws, and then this lead runs over to the board where it's plugged in, so it'll be pretty straightforward. So I took it apart there, threaded it out of this 90, and then threaded it off of the manifold. It was incredibly tight. I couldn't believe how tight it was on here. And then we just want to tighten it down. Just like that. And then there wasn't actually space to turn this here, so I had to disconnect it from there. Installing a gas valve is pretty straightforward. Just take apart the gas piping, and then all the piping that you did disturb, you put fresh pipe dope on there and then thread it back together. As you can see, I did have to drop the valve down so I could get that fitting spun in, but it wasn't very difficult. So it's just like a little plastic cap with a sensor mounted in it, and then this must have a magnet mounted in it as well. So we'll just install the new one over top, just like so. I've always wondered how these worked. I didn't realize they were quite like that. So tapping on it really would have done nothing. The other day it was just randomly started working. Well, I should have been videoing, but when I stuck the fuse back in, it lit immediately. Not like what it was doing before, so yeah, we're gonna be good on this one then. We'll have nice heat. Sure feels nice. It's a cold day up here on the rooftop, so I'm looking forward to getting back down off and into my van. But yeah, we should be good to go. So new sensor, new valve, and of course just plugged in up there. Just got to get our wire management tucked away a little better, but we should be good to go.